a tree surgeon at the Hansen's aggregate plant. Cement, concrete, rock crushing, you name it. This is a tree surgeon. Just on the job site here. Kind of finishing up the job here. Gotta head back around. Pretty cool, pretty neat. Lots of conveyor belts and dozers and semis. This big boy toys around here, that's about it. I'm heading back over to the job site. You might have saw the boom boom truck over there in the distance. Bam, there it is. Way over there. Well, that's where we're heading, because that's where the job's ending up right now. As we speak, they're just muscling the last tree branches there. Wow, that's a lot of concrete. Lots of concrete to crush and recycle. This guy wants to race here. Anyhow, look at all that asphalt. That's what they make asphalt with. Lots of cool stuff. DG. Sand right there. Bam. Be sure to check out all the videos. I'm trying to put some cool stuff together here. This was a big job, a 9-man job. We busted out in less than 8 hours on site. Here's the crew, just getting ready to finish, and they have it all done. Job's done. Job's all done. Everything's groomed and done. Done, done, diddy, done, done.